Now the second part, we will check the difference of the two normal random variables. So the difference still follow normal distribution or not, and how about the mean and standard deviation? This time, instead of Minitab, we use Excel tools. You know, Excel under data menu. So data, you have one here called data analysis tools. If there is no this little tab here, data analysis tools, you need to go to File, Options, and add in. You need to make sure you have the add in there. You look at, we call Analysis 2-pack. Okay? You need to check this one if you do not have data analysis tab under data menu. Okay? So I already checked, so if I click data, I have this little icon, shows data analysis tools. So we will use this one to find out, to generate a random variable to find out the distribution. So how we can do that? We generate first the normal one. We just use data. We click here. So this is like a little statistic package associated with Excel. You have a random number generator. So we generate a normal distribution. So distribution, you can select uniform or normal. Normal distribution, mean is 10, standard deviation 3. And we generate number of variables, 5,000, because this is only one variable. And then, yeah, we just skip the random seed. So output where you're going to put. So I'm going to put from here, M2, okay, and it goes down. So click OK. So it generates the random variable for the normal distribution. Okay. Mean is 10, standard deviation 3. And then I also can generate another random variable still for the normal distribution, 5,000 of them. Mean is 20. Standard deviation is 5. I'm going to put on N2. Okay, so N2. So say I generate another 5,000 data points. It's from the normal distribution. The mean is 20, standard deviation is 5. And then I just add them together. Oh, not add them, sorry. That's normal 2 minus normal 1. Okay, difference. Normal 2 minus. Okay, that's equal to normal 2 minus normal 1. So this is the difference. So theoretically, the mean of the difference that should equal to 20 minus 10. And the standard deviation of the difference, that's the two variable, the variation add together. Square root SQRT, square root of the first one, 3 squared, plus the second one. The standard deviation is 5, so variance is 5 squared. So you add together, take the square root. So this is the standard deviation. And then we need to find out the mean and the standard deviation of the difference. There's two ways. One way is you can just use the average of these 5 values, and also use the standard deviation, the form function in Excel. Another way, it's offered by the data analysis add-in. You can generate descriptive statistics, see here. And the input range is from 02 to, so I just click the range here, right? So this is from 02 cell to 5001, that's 5 data points. and output range. So output range, it will list we want summary statistics. So for being safe, I just select, say for example, output, like it put here, okay, and click OK. See here listed, this should be the difference. The mean and the standard deviation. Okay. So okay, the mean equal to is very close to 10, right? The standard deviation is very close to our theoretical ones. So use this one, we can we can use Excel, the built-in statistic package, to get the descriptive statistics. Another one we like to see here, the distribution, what it looks like. The distribution, we just use the histogram insert. Here have the histogram. So you change the chart title to the, oops. Just to redo it, insert. So this is the difference. Just insert. We select the data first and insert histogram. Click here, histogram. Okay. So we can just move back to the more visible area here. And then you need to change the title to this is difference. Okay. So see, it's also follow normal distribution. It's not that beautiful, but it functions well. So that's how we use Excel to build, to generate random numbers, to have the descriptive statistics summary and the histogram.